ଦଶମ ବୋର୍ଡ଼ ପରୀକ୍ଷାର ସିଲେକ୍ସନ୍ ଏସେ। ଏହି ଏସେ 90% ପଡ଼ିବାର ଚାନ୍ସ ଅଛି। ତ ଡେରି ନକରି ଏହି ଏସେକୁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ତୁମ ଏକ୍ଜାମରେ ପଡ଼ିପାରେ। ଏସେ ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ means making dirt filthy or unhealthy and impure. Nowadays, the pollution of our environment has become a serious problem. Some years ago, scientists made the disturbing disclosure that our air, water, and earth have become terribly filthy. The advanced Western countries were display upset to learn that this was dangerous to all forms of life on the earth. Pollution is a gift to us of the developing cities and towns. With the growing development and progress of industries, pollution can be in soil, water, air, noise, etc. All types of pollution tell upon our health. The environmental pollution has even even threatened humanity. Many factories and mills were established for the purpose of development, and all the natural resources were utilized. Man began to cut down the trees. Forests were cleared, and on these places new factories were established. But man did not plant new trees in place of those trees. The chimneys of the factories began to emit out smoke which pollution the air. This smoke was harmful to both man and natural vegetation. Trees stopped growing. The means of transport increased, and they added greatly to air pollution and noise pollution. The car, buses, and other vehicle exhaust so much smoke that it has become nearly impossible to lead a healthy life in cities. Noise pollution can affect our communication, our capacity for hearing. If a person is exposed to loud noise for loud noise long periods, there may be significant significant and permanent loss of hearing. Most investigations have shown that loud noise can create anxiety and street, and in extreme case, fright Fight psychology Psychologists tell us that when the noise level goes up, work efficiency goes down. The factories throw their waste material into the nearby river, thus polluting the water. The fish and other water creatures cannot survive in the polluted water. One more reason for environmental pollution is the increasing population. Population should be controlled for removing pollution. Apart from this, there is soil pollution. Many chemical and pesticides are harmful to health. With the use of these things, some vegetation has disappeared from the earth. This soil pollution contaminates the river water through rainfall. Now we suffer from the effect of acid rain, which is rainwater mixed with the effect of virus, poisonous gases. But we have now come to realize this need for the preservation of these vital ingredients of nature. To first step to this pollution is that pollution population growth should be checked. Nature resource should be redeveloped. The factories should adopt pollution control measures. The vehicle too should have their machinery checked so that they may not exhaust a lot of smoke. Deforestation should be totally stopped. All these measures will help mankind to fight pollution. It is high time that the government took some measures to control this increasing means. We should realize that it is a crime to interfere with nature, because no no man has the right to destroy this beautiful universe and make it barren for the coming generation.